What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am camping in 12 degrees, cooking great meals and having a great time with friends in the snow. It's gonna be a great video, stick around. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are winter camping and it's gonna get down to a low of 10 degrees. We only have 2 hours to set up and we're gonna try and survive the night. We got about like 1.5 foot of snow and 2 fresh inches last night. It's gonna get cold tonight. What do you think about this mission?
Who knows? Go either way.
Yeah. All right. So before we gotta stamp down our spot. All right. We should put our tents like right where these skis are, like here. And I'm thinking this is a good spot. I'll go here if someone wants to go here and here. Yeah, I'll go in the middle, I guess.
I don't want to be too close to the fire.
Died. Okay. My mom said.
Which one do you do that? Yeah, with you in.
All right, guys, the tent has been set up. Now we gotta get some of Blake's stuff and get some wood because the fire pit's kind of demolished. Well, this is the setup. Probably gonna do some sledding, I don't know. We'll see. Now we're gonna get some stuff. A lot of deer tracks here.
Yeah, you all being in the video?
Yeah.
I can carry something for you. I got you.
You've been finding some bad here.
Yeah, I've been.
Because I don't have axes and stuff.
Blake, do you want to help me get wood? What short are you gonna do for your?
Where do we take from?
We gotta be slow with it. So like, let 2 logs burn, and then like once they're almost out, put another.
Like half.
Yeah. Video if you say anything. I'm gonna build a little log cabin first.
No, warming up helps with getting better.
Use the flame from that to start a flame.
Well, we're having trouble starting the fire, and the sun is setting. Probably gonna start dinner soon. You've probably noticed I've been wearing these polarized sunglasses, and that's because of well, you won't really see it too much, but the sun kind of hits the snow, and if it gets too bad, like in places that are primarily snow, you can get snow blindness, and this just kind of cuts the sun's effect of it. You can see it has that tint to it, so if you want to see it, it's like this is the normal effects of it, and then this is what it looks like. So like that compared to that, and it's pretty big difference.
Okay, so no, are we doing a fire?
Take it one at a time. Like
10 years. I don't have that much propane.
You think you're gonna survive the night?
yes. So light your hands on fire.
And once that going,
Yeah.
you'll be
So it's like,
Yeah, you can heat it up, like heat it up.
maybe start putting your next layer around it.
Everything looks different.
Night,
Ah!
New Year's Day.
that's
I
going.
think after voice.
All right, I got my dinner, which is gonna be a prosciutto mozzarella sandwich. Got some other stuff like this, dried fruit.
Honestly, I just leave it for now. You know, it's weird, but
The steam coming off of
this is not good in the cold.
So what are you making?
Pasta and sauce.
My hands are so cold.
it. You want to go get that guitar?
Fried mango.
Oh, this up.
Oh, smoke!
I might hit the hay early tonight.
Oh my. Stop.
The fire is shooting you, bro.
Some mozzarella and prosciutto. Oh, the fire is attacking me. Have it a cooked mozzarella prosciutto sweet pepper sandwich. It's New Year's Eve, so I'm gonna crack open a little bit of this apple soda by Olipop. It's called crisp apple, and it's a little soda drink. And I think it's frozen. Nope, it's not frozen, but it's very cold.
It's good.
Oh, it's very cold. All right, it's about an hour later, and I'd finished dinner. I just sat by the fire a little bit, did a couple kind of like campsite chores, and Blake went home because he got cold. But that's fine. It's only one of his first time camping, but we're gonna stay out here. Probably gonna watch some movies and do some stuff until it's time to go to bed, stoke the fire and stuff like that. All right, guys, we gotta stoke the fire. Oh. I'm gonna use the burning. All right, guys. Good night. See ya. All right, guys. Good morning. Yeah. Alright, it got down to a low of 12 degrees last night, which is pretty cold. Probably gonna do some sledding and hiking later though. Ooh, dried mango. Not even open this mango. Alright, we just got done camping, and that was fun. It actually got down cold last night, but now we're about to go sledding because we just got done, but not really too late in the day. So we're gonna sled because there's a pretty big hill back here. Like, that's not a small hill. But yeah, if you like videos like this, subscribe, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more camping and fishing this year. Because I only did like 1 or 2 videos this year. Really, actually, only 1 video this year. That's crazy. I'm actually gonna do a lot more because a lot of my videos were done last year, and I don't know, it's just really interesting to do, you know, just videos and stuff. You can already tell this is gonna be fast, man. Not really, actually. More of a slow one. Oh no! Oh. Oh. He's hitting a jump on that ramp. You just crushed it. Oh yeah. I'll put away the tarp because that's ours. Okay. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'm going to be doing a lot of camping this year. And yeah, let's see if my car's warm enough to start. Yep, that tells you it's a cold night. There we go. All right, see ya.